Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review for the FANGOR mobile projector. I bought it about 2 weeks ago. I've been using it all the time ever since. So just to give you a quick idea of how big it is, this is maybe 10 inches by maybe like 6 inches over here. You got, the controls on top, the ports on the side. I mainly use the HDMI ones, but it's got USB, it's got audio in and audio out. And then it's got this little media card in case you want to play some media directly on it. I haven't used that too much personally, mostly the HDMI things. But just to give you a quick idea of how to use it, you kind of just turn it on. And it's got the IR receiver over there. It doesn't usually take that many tries. But it's also got this neat little controller, AAA batteries that, it's pretty useful, pretty good. It lets you do everything you need to do to turn it on, turn it off from afar, change sources, whatnot. What do I have to say about the quality? It's actually pretty good. Obviously, I have a lot of bright lights here, but it does have a really good quality. It's very adjustable in terms of how far away you can place it, and the focus and the alignment of it in case you have it too far angled down or low. It's got pretty good ability to adjust to that sort of thing, and it looks pretty good right now. It looks really great at night, or maybe if you had some kind of window darkening things. But in terms of image, I have zero complaints. It even has a little speaker on the side, which allows you to, not have to plug anything in. I still plug in my computer speakers because they sound a lot better. But you can totally plug in some external speakers on the side. In addition to that, I have, a switch. I have a computer hooked up to it as well. So, whatever you can connect with HDMI, it'll do. So, honestly, pretty great all in all. I was impressed by the quality. And it even came with this little travel bag, which also was pretty decent. It has it has instructions. You can put everything nice and tight. It's got the little straps. It's got connections in case you have different types of, needs for it. All in all, pretty happy with this product. Yeah, it's good. I recommend it.
So we got this projector from Amazon. It's a FANGOR. It's really cool. It has this soft, touch top, and it has these really easy to use buttons. It has a really nice lens. It comes with a cover to put on it. It actually comes in this really neat carrying case, which I didn't know that it did, which is really awesome because you can bring it with you and travel with it. It comes with a tripod so you can stand it up, or I'm pretty sure you can mount it if you wanted to. It comes with all the cords and stuff to plug it in to your TV. Even the little connector pieces to bring it to another country if you wanted to. So yeah, it's really cool. It has a really good picture. It's really easy to use. You connect it right to your TV with Bluetooth, or probably with a cord if you don't have Bluetooth on your TV or something. But yeah, it focuses and all that cool stuff. So yeah, it's great.
Very good at decorating that tree.
Why are you messing with me? Did Crumpet put you up to this?
I'm not messing with you. It's just nice to meet another human who shares my affinity for elf culture.
I'm just trying to get through the holidays.
Get through? Christmas is the greatest day in the whole wide world.
Please stop talking to me.
Uh-oh. Sounds like someone needs to sing a Christmas carol.
Go away.
Best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear.